can find the deleted documents from Google Docs and how you can recover them. So let's say I have this document that I want to remove. I'm going to click here and click remove and move it to trash. So the document is now in the trash folder, but you probably cannot find it easily on Google Docs. There is no option to find the trash folder. Instead, you have to go to Google Drive. So open a new tab and visit Google Drive. Okay, after that, go to the trash folder. Okay, it might take a while, but yeah, it should be open pretty soon. Okay, that was the document that I just removed. And in order to restore that back to Google Docs, you have to click on this icon. Okay, I probably have to wait a bit more. Okay, now click restore. So basically it will revert the deletion and will send back the document to your Google Docs account. Let's go back to Google Docs and you can see that this document was in the trash folder, but now it's here. It's like it's never been deleted before. So yeah, that's how you can find and restore a deleted file in Google Docs.